charging options for employees are a given these days. But with the flexible wallbox NRGkick and Charging4Fleets, you get more. More than just a wallbox, more than just a charging option. As a fleet manager, you like to have everything clearly in view. All charging activities of employees, including live status and fleet reports with charging duration, charging costs, and amount in kilowatt hours. Equip your electric fleet and employees with NRGkick and enjoy all the benefits. No installation costs, accurate records of charging sessions, charging company cars at home, and precise billing by kilowatt hours. In the Charging4Fleets online portal, fleet managers and employees can check their charging sessions anytime. Live and intuitive. This brings benefits for both the company and the employees. The fleet manager has full access control, an overview of costs and energy, as well as easy user management. Additionally, he receives automatic reports via email, can exclude charging sessions in consultation with employees, customize charging costs, and much more. Employees don't have to install a wall box and can easily take NRGkick with them when they move, or simply return it if they change companies. There are no installation or deinstallation costs. Your employees don't have to drive to a public charging station. They can charge their electric cars affordably and conveniently at home. Every charge is automatically transmitted to the Charging4Fleet system and can thus be reimbursed by the employer. As a business owner or employee, take advantage of NRGkick and Charging4Fleets. Electric mobility has never been easier.